So guys, before y'all watch this video, just know if you haven't bought this kit, watch the whole thing. It'll explain some things. And if you already bought the kit, just watch the video and let me know what you think. On the second part of the video, I will be explaining the whole problem with how to connect it and showing you guys how long it takes. Thanks, y'all. What's going on, folks? My name is Manny, and this is Texas Driven Culture. And today we're doing a unboxing video and just a little review. This is what came inside the box: a sticker and basically a thank you note for purchasing it. Now it says right here, if you refer to their YouTube channel, it'll explain how to install it. Now, I went through the channel and there's only 10 videos, and unfortunately, out of those 10 videos, there's only one installation video right here. Let's check it out. It was a year ago. It's the same name, Underglow X. See right here, Underglow X, same kit, but it's different connections. And I'll put the link to this video on the bottom in the description. Now we can pop the hood and snake the LED strip. That's how it starts. 2-minute video. Using rubbing alcohol and a red. This video doesn't talk about the app. Loosen the bolts of the it's not even using the right tool. Cables are in place. Step will be different depending on where you install the LED. Let's see how it ends. Hold on. In this case, I didn't watch the whole thing. Down through the engine bay, avoiding any hot engine parts. Plug the power cord into the light strip and secure any loose wires. It's not the same cable. Different kit. Unless it's updated. Your lights should fire up right away. And if they don't, turn your vehicle on into accept. That's it. Comments are turned off. Their comments are turned off. This sucks, man, because there's a lot of videos of people having these kits, and it's a great kit. Don't get me wrong. It's heavy duty, you know, very simple to install, very simple, but unfortunately, it's a little too simple. It's just 2 wires. These 2 connect to the LEDs. These 2 right here, positive and negative. That's it. Now, I've already opened this kit to make sure they work. On the reviews for this company, a lot of people are complaining that it doesn't work. You hook it up and initially it does not work. We have that same problem where we hooked it up and these connections right here to these, it doesn't say which one's which. So we plugged them in, got this onto the terminals of the battery, and it wouldn't turn on. So initially what has to happen is the Bluetooth on here has to turn on, load, sync. I don't know what it's doing, but we tried over and over and over again until we finally got the whole thing to turn on. It wasn't turning on at all. And you sync it up through the app. So I'll put a description. I'll put the app in the description below so you can see it. The app, it's very cheap, man. The app, you can just tell, super sketchy app. You look it up on your phone. I looked it up on my tablet, and I mean, look at this. The app is called LED Lamp, which is this one right here. And pretty sketchy app, man, honestly. Other than that, honestly, if it had instructions and they were a little bit more, you know, had a video up to date on this installation kit, maybe there wouldn't be so many bad reviews on it. But all that comes is this right here. This, I guess this is a module, Bluetooth module. Positive, negative, no signal wire, just that. These 2 connect to the LED strips. You get 20 zip ties. I'm assuming, I don't know how many of these. And then you get some self-tapping screws. And they're not zinc coated, so they're probably gonna rust. So I would avoid using these. It's up to you. I would use zip ties. This has some type of 3M adhesive or double-sided tape. It's not real 3M because it would say it, but I'm sure this stuff holds up. This, some zip ties, and I guess if this doesn't bother you, use some of these, right? Hopefully they don't rust, but I would assume they would rust after, you know, after a long time, I guess. All you get in the kit is this sticker, one-up lighting, and like I said, this note right here. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. We'd love to help you. According to the reviews, people reach out and they never answer. So what we're gonna do is this is what comes like. It's pretty simple. It's for one side and this for the other side. And the way the kit installs, I can show you. Let's see. Okay, we'll go here. This is their website, by the way. That's a pretty good website too. So go to replacement parts, and then I will show you. So one side, which is one bundle that I'm holding, is front, middle, and then the rear. And then the other bundle will be the same thing, but on the opposite side. This is pretty good. They sell you replacement strips in case something happens. The replacement control box. Okay, that's what it's called, not a module. The replacement control box, and it's the updated one. I don't know what that is. See, ours doesn't have that. So I guess you can connect, this is like an auxiliary cord, some type of auxiliary cord to the terminals, which I guess would be this, but on ours we can't unplug it. What else does that come? The website has all this extensions. So the website is pretty legit. Other than that, their customer service is terrible, and they don't give instructions. And there's no YouTube video on people installing this, like thoroughly explaining, because I know there's a lot of people out there wondering why theirs don't work and how to do it. I have experience in this, so this is pretty easy and simple. But for someone who is their first time installing this, I would really recommend instructions list, or man, update your video. You know, everyone watches videos now, which is a lot better than instructions, and they can't seem to do that. So this is just an unboxing, a review, and me talking about the website and what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna upload this video, and right after this video, it's gonna be the installation, which is gonna be on a Infinity Q60. And at the beginning of the video, I'm gonna talk about what you're gonna use and what tools you're gonna need, and I'll show you how the app works. But other than that, it's just gonna be it's real simple, man. It's just unfortunate they don't talk about it. So yeah, you plug this in, right? Positive, negative. Let this thing load up. You're gonna have to refresh and refresh on the app to connect it, because it does not show up on the Bluetooth on the app, not in the settings on your phone, on the app. And eventually it will. And once you hook up to it, the whole thing will light up. And then we'll go over the app too, man. Like I said, the app's pretty sketchy. It seems really cheap, but the LED strips, man, are amazing. They're RGB-Ws, so they're wider. And these things flow nice. They're really bright. And you guys will see that in the next video. That's it for this video, guys. The part 2 for this is going to be right after this video, so no waiting on that. And like I said, you know, if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. And y'all leave a comment if you have any questions about this. All right, thank you.